The Criminal Detention Database provides information about detention conditions in EU countries. It covers issues such as cell space, access to healthcare, juvenile prisoners, and protection against violence. The database helps judges and legal practitioners when assessing whether prisoners are at risk of inhuman and degrading treatment in violation of their fundamental rights. This is especially useful when deciding on cross-border cases, such as when member states issue a European arrest warrant. In the database you can find case law, monitoring reports and statements, research findings, as well as national standards. You can access the information you need by country or by detention issue. The case law section of the database contains a list of relevant case law from the Court of Justice of the EU, the European Court of Human Rights, and national courts and tribunals. To find the information you need quicker, the database allows you to filter by year, country, or by deciding body. For national case law, in some cases, a link to the case summary in English is provided. The monitoring report and statement section allows you to access reports and recommendations compiled by various national, European, and international bodies on detention conditions. Reports come, for example, from the UN Committee Against Torture, the National Preventive Mechanism, or the Council of Europe, amongst others. The Research Findings section shows all the country reports produced by the Fundamental Rights Agency's research network. Each report lists the national legal standards, access to remedy possibilities, as well as links to National Preventive Mechanism recommendations. Some reports provide a list of national case law linked to each detention issue. The National Standards section shows information on legal standards for each country. The detention issues and corresponding legal instruments are listed. The listing also shows in which years the National Preventive Mechanism made recommendations. By clicking on Read More, you can access a details section, which shows the key provisions in each legal instrument as well as the National Preventive Mechanism recommendations. Data from each listing can be exported in various formats, including comma-separated value (CSV) format, which can be opened in Microsoft Excel.